Ever wondered how your location could impact your taxes? Today, I'm going to show you some of the best apps that give tax hints based on where you are. And I promise, this isn't just another video where I talk about the same old apps you've seen 100 times. I'm not incentivized by any affiliate commissions to push anything on you, and I'm giving you everything straight. No fluff, just pure value. Stick around to the end because there's one app that might change the way you think about managing your taxes forever. Let's dive right in. When it comes to taxes, your location can make a huge difference. State taxes, local taxes, sales tax, property tax, there's a lot to consider. And that's where these apps come in handy. They help you navigate tax codes that are specific to your area and give you real-time updates on what to watch out for. One app that stands out is TaxAct. Now, I know what you might be thinking. TaxAct? Isn't that just for filing? Not anymore. With their location-based features, TaxAct can give you specific advice tailored to your state and even your city. Whether you're dealing with the complexities of California's tax laws or figuring out how tax rules differ between urban and rural areas, TaxAct's got you covered. Then, we have H&R Block's Tax Calculator. While many people use H&R Block to file, this app does a lot more than just helping you file your taxes. Based on your zip code, it can show you local tax nuances, things you might not even realize impact you, like state-specific deductions or credits that can significantly lower your tax bill. The app is straightforward but powerful when it comes to location-based hints. But here's something really important to think about. If you're not tracking tax rates and possible deductions based on your location, you might be missing out on thousands of dollars. Let me explain. In certain states, there are tax incentives that might apply to you without you even knowing it, just because of where you live. Some locations offer specific breaks for things like energy-efficient home improvements or even business-related tax deductions. It's all about location, and using these apps can help you spot these opportunities. For something a bit more advanced, TaxSlayer is one I recommend. This app goes beyond simple tax calculations. It can give you deep insights into tax credits and rebates specific to your state or city, and even track how tax rates shift from year to year, giving you a good overview of where your location might be headed tax-wise in the future. It's like having a tax consultant right in your pocket. Another interesting option is TurboTax's location-based tool. Now, TurboTax is well known for its full-featured tax filing software, but their mobile app also gives you location-based tax tips and hints that most people don't realize. It even lets you input your current location so you can see real-time tax changes or tips that are relevant to you. This is especially useful if you've moved recently or are planning on relocating, as it will help you better understand how your new home impacts your tax situation. But hold on, there's one app that you'll definitely want to stick around for. SmartAsset is another tool that is a game changer. It doesn't just tell you the tax rates in your area, but it also breaks down how they compare to the national average. What's even cooler is that it takes your income level into account, so you get an accurate picture of how your taxes will look based on where you live and how much you make. As you can see, taxes are a lot more complicated than just filing a return every April. They're tied to where you live, and the apps I've shown you today can give you tax hints based on your location that can potentially save you a lot of money. If you're serious about maximizing your tax situation and living in the most tax-efficient way possible, you need to be using apps that cater to your specific location. They give you actionable advice you can use right now, not just generic info. Now, if this video helped you and you got some real value, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm here making content without any hidden agendas or affiliate commissions, just pure information that can save you money and time. Subscribe, and let me know what you think about these apps in the comments. And remember, tax season doesn't have to be stressful, especially if you have the right tools in your corner.